Hey guys, it's Melissa Lombard, your registered dental hygienist. It's March 20th, first day of spring. But with the coronavirus pandemic going on right now, I've known the importance of washing hands and sanitizing my hands in between patients and for myself, as well as cross-contamination. Now, as a nation, as a world, we are knowing the importance of keeping your hands sanitized. Sadly, they're flying off the shelves left and right. People can't find them at the store. But you know what? You only need 2 ingredients, and I'm going to show you how to make your own hand sanitizer. Just make sure you pour 2/3 of a cup of 91% rubbing alcohol. And you want to do 1/3 cup of aloe vera. It's important to mix all the ingredients together, and you can also add essential oils, maybe about 5 to 10 drops of lavender or orange. That's optional. All right, I'm going to pour it to this empty bottle. All right, and just like that, I've got my hand sanitizer.